Hey there, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're the company that has come here the last couple of years and cleaned up your gutters. We recently did some tune-ups and got the gutters resealed on the miters here to make sure that it's stopping the leaking. And I'm here today to kind of explain our process on washing the exterior of the home, getting rid of the mold, the mildew, and getting the storms and all the windows cleaned up real nicely. So as you can see right here, we got a lot of that mold starting to develop in the soffit areas, and that can be easily washed off with our special proprietary gentle detergent wash. So why I say it's proprietary is because we've come up with special soaps and algicides and surfactants, even some buffers in our detergent that when we gently spray it on the exterior of your home, it gets into all the crevices and the corners of your spindles here, and we don't actually have to use high pressure. We can safely and effectively wash this property from the ground. No ladders, no scaffolding, generally no brushing. We're removing all that nasty mold, mildew and algae, spider webs and bug guts safely and effectively without blasting away with high pressure. This is like a 9 gallon a minute industrial cleaning process that saves you time in not having to hire a painter after we're done washing it because we use too much high pressure and we blasted all that paint off. So from the ground, no more pressure than a garden hose. We are efficiently washing this down. A little bit about window cleaning process. So before we start the window cleaning process, we're going to wash all this down, your vinyl storms here with our cleaner, and that should make one side really nicely clean. And just before we go to wash the interior of the house, we can wash the other side, step in there, move some of these up and down. But I wanted to explain a little bit about our process for window cleaning. Obviously, we have to take your storms out and wash those by hand. So that's a little bit more laborious process. But after the storms are out, what we can do is use a special water-fed pole to scrub your windows down really effectively without having to use soap and squeegee on the outside of the windows, which if you were to use a squeegee, it would essentially leave a small residue of soap behind, and you'd have to clean your windows more often. So our purified water, it's almost like that slow dripping water at a car wash. It'll handle washing the windows more effectively than if you were to use soap and squeegee. Now, unfortunately, we can't go into your home and scrub, hose down your windows. But what we're going to do is, walk through your home with our booties and take care of things very delicately in your home and wash those down for you as well. Now, I see a little bit, this is a separate washing service right here. If you see this rust on the paint, this is from sprinkler systems. But we do have a chemical that can wash that off without disturbing the paint, no pressure. So thanks for watching this. I also wanted to draw attention to your shingles on this roof here. So we're in the roof preservation business. We do a lot of roof maintenance services where we can do a tune-up, a cleaning, and recondition your shingles. So I highly encourage you and all your neighbors to do some sort of maintenance to your roof. Take a look at this quick informational video that explains why roof maintenance is important and how you can save yourself a lot of money by doing roof preventative maintenance. Thank you.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse. Think you need a new roof? Think again. Introducing MAXX, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With MAXX, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. MAXX's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. MAXX's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with MAXX's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by MAXX had absolutely no damage.
So a MAXX roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands. And who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with MAXX.
Hey, thanks so much for allowing me to quote your home maintenance services. And I just wanted to take this brief moment to explain the benefits of cumulative buying power with you and your neighbors. So when you and all your neighbors take advantage of the buying packages that we offer, we're able to work more efficiently, plan out our days better, and plan out our help better, and our purchasing equipment to be able to provide the highest level of service for you. So the reason why I make these packages is because it allows us to work more efficient and provide the highest level of service for you. So when you combine the buying power of working with you and your neighbors, it saves you a lot of money and it makes us work smarter. Thanks so much.